Welcome to day 9 of my 60-day trading challenge. I traded the New York session today on NASDAQ and had a solid execution day. Today was a super good trading session. Everything went smooth, and it was a good trade. I probably won't be trading the PM session today, so we'll just go over the trade I took this morning. There's super high volatility, but at the end of the day, high volatility doesn't change my rules. It just tests them. I think by the end of the session, I was up around $1,000, so it's good. Good trade. I was feeling super calm. I was relaxed. I am in a course mentorship, like I mentioned in the past. So I was in a call with a couple other guys, and we all had the same idea, and it was just an all-around good experience. And hopefully, more sessions can be like that. So, without further ado, though, let's get into the charts and let's go over the trade I took.
All right, so we just entered a trade here. On the 4 hours, we have a super bullish reversal candle 2 closure here. So this is a swing point here. We sweep all these lows and close back within this candle. We're about to close over it. So I scaled down to the 15s here. NASDAQ quickly went and filled this gap. Well, ES didn't, so there's also SMT. NASDAQ, is the lagging index, but since it already filled this gap, I felt more safe entering on this one. So we're in for longs, and we're going to be targeting these highs here. And if I put more in my position, we're going to leave it there because it'll probably be a max trade. But if I don't, then I could also leave a partial for this weekly gap. So anyways, we're in for this trade here, and we'll see how it goes. 4-hour candle. I'm assuming we're probably going to retrace a little bit, but I still think that we are intact to take out these highs here. I added another contract, which made my position quite a lot worse, but I still am confident in these highs getting taken out. So we're going to let this play out here, and assuming we're going to get a retrace, but I'm not worried. I think we're going to still come out and take these highs. So we have pretty bullish, like that 4 hours, very bullish. So that's all the confidence I'll need for this trade, and see how it goes. But there, just for a little over 1,000, I think it's like 1,100 or something. So I would have actually held honestly until here, but I figured like all assets took out this high now, we're probably going to get a retrace, and I just didn't want to be in the trade for another hour and risk potentially reversing. But my main objective for the entire week actually has been this gap. Just haven't found like the right entry. Like yesterday was brutal price action, right? Like this is just not good. And then we finally had a nice setup today. But yeah, I do likely think that this gap will get filled, but I just didn't want to be in that trade risking losing my position. So nice trade, and let's get into the post-trade recap.
For the trade recap, we just took one trade. That was it. There was little to no drawdown. Just smooth right up to those highs, and I am glad I got it where I did. It was a super solid trade. Honestly, couldn't have done anything much better, I don't think. We were risked decently. If we had another contract, our position would have been terrible. Would have been a max win for that trade, but it just would have jumped up my entry to just not a good spot. And yeah, I looked at the charts after we took out that liquidity, we did go pretty far down. So I'm glad to get out. It did end up filling the gap already, but that's all good. We would have been in that trade all day. So today was a good session. Honestly, not much that I could have done better. The only thing that I could have done, obviously, was I could have just put in my full position size at the bottom. It would have been a little more than 1,100, but that's all good. And hopefully, moving forward, I can stay trading with this mindset and only be trading A+ setups that I'm confident in and gives me the highest probability chance. But yeah, I'm gonna be back to posting consistently as well. So if you made it to this point and you're wondering why I haven't been posting as much, I've just still the same thing. I've been doing quite a few hours a day on this new course that I'm taking. So It's just been taking a lot of time and energy out of me, but we're back to going to be posting every day. So, um, yeah, that's going to be it for day 9, I believe, and day 10 should be tomorrow or Friday. So, without further ado, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.